It didn't even take a week and here it is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So what I'm going to do now is open up this Pandora box, I guess. This is so exciting. So we have this paper telling you how exactly to get the job done. Then the plastic in which it will probably have to go. The actual tube or like testing thingy. That's probably the right terminology, right? Oh, and this is the box in which you can send it back because you already paid for this entire thing being shipped to you and this being shipped back. So that makes a lot of sense. Now I actually have to read all of the instructions and get this done. So here we go, ancestry DNA. We've already done that. Activate test. Yes, that's for me. Oh, this is so exciting. I don't know why. And here goes nothing. And so this is like the entire thing. All of these questions, if you want to be part of research, if you want other people to be able to contact you and stuff, if you have like some sort of match. That's like the fun stuff at the end, I think. No, I don't want weekly emails. That's too much. So yeah, this is all that I said I wanted, and let's send it off. Okay, so the half an hour that I needed to wait while not eating or drinking or chewing gum, which I rarely do, and no smoking, which I've never done, has passed. And now let's get to actually doing the thing. So it says that you have to fill in this tube with spit till this, till this black rim, I guess. And then you have to put this on top. And then, wait a second, something's missing. Oh no, actually it's in here. So there's just like this liquid in here, and that has to be put into this tube, and then you have to shake the entire thing for 5 seconds so that the DNA in your spit won't, not dissolve, but it will like be preserved better until it gets to the lab. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm not actually going to film myself spitting in this tube because that's kind of gross, and I think you get the gist. So yeah, practically all I have to do now is ship it off and then see what comes back. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh. This is so much more thought out than I thought it would be. So you take this off, put this on here. Bye. So I'm just going through my emails, and right now they are extracting the DNA from the sample I gave, and this is just so exciting. And oh gosh, it's been weeks since I sent it off, and I just cannot wait for the results to come in and to just know. Gosh, this is just so exciting to me. I can't wait. So the time has come. My results are in, and I don't even have words for it, but I'm really looking forward to seeing the results and just finding out more about myself. So you guys, here goes nothing. Your DNA results summary. my gosh, this is so weird. You can see there's a beautiful camera over there. And here we are. So great news, Katiana, your results have arrived. Ethnicity breakdown. Can I set this down somehow? Because that will just annoy me having to hold it all the time. This is what we're gonna do. Sorry, this probably looks so stupid. Great news, Katiana, your results have arrived. Ethnicity breakdown, DNA stories, and DNA matches are part of the results I get. Benin and Togo, Portugal, Cameroon, Congo, Western Bantu people is 15%. France, Nigeria, Finland? Do I look Scandinavian to you? I don't think so. Like, not what you would typically think of. But yeah, Finland, Mali, England and Northwestern Europe, Wales, Scotland, Bantu people in Spain. And then additionally to that, Cuba, Canary Islands in Uruguay. Okay, so I think the Haitian part of my family, or like my mom in more detail, is probably somewhere from Benin and Togo / Cameroon, Congo, Mali, that region or those regions. Of course, her heritage could be mixed as well, and now is just seen as Haitian. But it doesn't say Haiti here anywhere, so I guess that's like how it breaks down. And then my father must be somewhere from Europe, so not a Native American, but somewhere between Portugal, Finland, and England, Wales. England, Wales, and Scotland are actually on here, so I guess that's pretty precise. Let's go on. You can explore any of your results in your DNA history. 1800 to 1825, changing family patterns. Okay. Changing family patterns in Finland. I never thought about Googling any of that, so that's new to me. You share the central and southern Finland community with 4 of your DNA matches. So there are 4 people that are listed here that might be related to me. I've never been to Finland either. I've been to Sweden, to Stockholm, once for like 3 or 4 days. So I don't really know anything about Scandinavia at all, other than reading this book at the moment. Okay, so here's the world map, and it's showing me all the places I'm supposedly from. Here it is! Heidi! So cool! I know this is like so ridiculous because I know my mom's Asian, so I knew it would like pop up, but seeing it, no, that's Cuba. I was just like, oh shoot. But Cuba is right next to Haiti, so it's like not very unrealistic for me to have some relations to Cuba too. There's so much around Finland. I'm so confused. But I don't know my biological father, so all I know is that he's Caucasian. My mom's line takes me all the way back to Mali. make you guys kind of get the full picture as best as I can. And just in general, thank you so much for watching this video, for getting all the way through till the end. If you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up and maybe even consider subscribing to my channel. And yeah, I hope to see you in the next video. And if you do watch another video, I'll see you in that one. Until then, bye!